Hey Phone Caddy users, I'll tell you how you can turn on night mode on your iPhone camera. What you need to do is simply go to your camera and after going to your camera you just make sure that you are on the photo section, not on a portrait section, okay, or any other section. Just go to your photo section and set your phone like this, okay. So to enable the night mode and increase the brightness of your camera, you see that your iPhone will automatically detect that it's a night mode, and if it doesn't detect, we'll see then. If you see that if I put my hand in front of it, there's a yellow sign come up which will automatically take my phone into a night mode and increase the brightness of the phone, okay. If it doesn't take the phone into brightness mode, you see that there is an option of the arrow here. Just tap on an arrow and you see that there is a moon sign here, okay. You just need to tap on it and you can adjust it accordingly, okay. The more increase in seconds will actually increase the night mode brightness more and more. So your iPhone actually detects it and you can adjust it accordingly, like how much you want it, okay, or how much you can set it. So that's how your iPhone actually detects automatically into night mode. And if it doesn't activate your night mode automatically, you see that there is a sign of an arrow from where you can actually select it. I hope this video is helpful for you and it sorted your problem out. If you still have a problem or still confused, you can write a comment and I'll get back to you. Just like this, put your hand over here and it will automatically enable it. If it doesn't automatically enable it, just tap on an arrow and you can select the brightness of night mode accordingly. I hope this video is helpful. Until next video, bye bye.